Topic for today's class is the simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Okay. So in English there are three persons: first person, second person, and third person. Now how to use the simple present tense? Let me take a verb to speak. Okay. First person singular, I speak English. First person plural, we speak English. Second person singular, you speak English. Second person plural, you all speak English. Third person singular, he speaks English. Third person singular, she speaks English. Third person plural, they all speak English. Okay? Now Suro, it's your turn. I am giving you the verb to teach.
I teach history, we teach history,
Yes.
you teach history, you all teach history, he teaches history, she teaches history, they all teach history.
Excellent. Now Papa, it's your turn. I am giving you the verb play.
I play football. You play.
Speak a bit loud.
You play football. We are play football.
We play football.
We play football. You are all play football.
You should not use is or am, okay? You play football, you all play football. Okay, now he.
I play football.
And he.
He play football.
He plays football.
He plays football. She plays football.
They
are play football.
They play football.
Play football.
Very good. Okay, Subodhik, now it's your turn. I am giving you the verb to climb.
I climb a tree. I climb trees.
I climb trees.
We climb trees.
Very good.
You climb trees. You all climb trees. He climbs trees.
Very good.
She climbs trees. They climb trees.
Fantastic. Now, Jeet, your turn. I am giving you the verb to do.
Do. I do work.
I do the work.
I do the work. We do the work.
Yes.
You do the work.
Okay.
You all do the work. He does the work. She does the work. They do the works.
Okay, now Abhijit, your turn. I am giving you the verb to learn.
I learn English.
Okay.
We learn English. You learn English. You all learn English. He learns English.
Very good.
She learns English. They learn English.
Excellent. You guys have done fantastic job. You have learned the simple present tense. Thank you.